Agricultural University.
Now we are inside
Sherebangla
of Sherebangla Agriculture University. The area and the atmosphere, the environment of this institution
is very
cannot
nice.
be described in a word.
Exactly.
And what a beauty it is. If you come here, you can enjoy the natural beauty
Yes, exactly.
of this area. And you know that it is an agricultural university. For
Yes.
that reason, you can see here lot of crops. I mean paddy field and some other agricultural items.
Yes, exactly.
And we can hear the bird song, and the crow is flying here and there.
Yes.
What a beauty. I think that I am in a village right now. I think that this cannot be compared with a city. It's completely a village. It is completely a village,
Show that.
and the scenery is the paddy. That is the paddy field,
But this is exactly the middle of Dhaka city, right?
and this location is the middle of Dhaka city, but the scenery is looking like a village, completely a village. There is no doubtness about this.
Yes, exactly.
And sir, what is that?
Oh, that's a monument.
That's a monument. What does the monument symbolize? What type of monument it is?
Symbolizes our liberation or village.
I mean Shadhinata Sriti Stambhu. Independence monument.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So the natural beauty of this area is mind blowing. It's mind blowing.
Exactly.
If you are unhealthy, if you are ill a little bit, if you are unhappy, you can come here to enjoy yourself. It may be morning time, it may be afternoon. It doesn't matter.
Exactly.
Sherebangla Krishi Vishwavidyalaya.
Yes. You can main building.
So there are some building here. We can see some buildings here. So different types of building, and the color of this building is different from each other.
Exactly.
So our rickshaw puller, he plays a vital role,
Yes, exactly.
because with his assistance we can able to see this type of natural view, this type of excellent view.
Exactly.
And that is the, oh my god, there are a lot of birds are singing here.
Yeah.
The atmosphere is very cool here. What a serene environment it is.
And the situation is calm and quiet.
And there is no people here at all. Everyone is sleeping. I think so, because it is 8 a.m. only right now.
Yes.
So it's very early morning. For this region, we can see a lot of people here. Oh my God, we have already visited this agricultural university, and now it's time to cross. Now it's time to leave this place, and now we are passing this beautiful agricultural university.